Hello viewers, in this tutorial we will see what is the implication of the formula index match, how it is different from VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, and what is the correct use of this, and where are various uses of this formula. So this is a sample data where you get this is a admission number, second column is class, section name, last name, and the score of various subject. Okay, so I have put the admission number. I taken admission number as a common factor. Okay, this is another Excel sheet, and the source data is this, from where we have taken highlighted admission number as a common factor. What is index match? First of all, understand that. So in VLOOKUP we get VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP, we get only one value related with the common fact. Okay, but in index match we get multiple value, like 9432 as a admission number. If we change the number 7463, which is another admission number, so the value is changed. So we can put the formula here also, here, and any number of cells, whatever field we like. Okay, but the thing is that the data should be present in source file. Okay, so now we'll understand the formula of index match. So first of all, where we want to apply, select that cell. So let's see, we want to put the formula in, we get the marks of Vikram, what he score in English subject. So what we do is equal to index, so tab, and get to another sheet, that is source data sheet, drag and select the cell of score, then comma, then the common number, then press match and take the admission number as a common factor, then comma, and from source data also select the range of admission number, then comma, 0, bracket, close, double bracket, close, and enter. You'll get the number 88 of Vikram. See, we have various admission number. We get any we get number of any of these related numbers of Kiran, Vaibhav, whatever the present in Excel and the row. Okay, so this is the admission number which we have already taken here for our reference. So we get we choose another number, that is 5383. so the number changed. Okay, so if we put 9432, so again the number changed. Okay, this is implication of a formula index match. Hope you understand the video. If you're new to channel, subscribe our channel and don't forget to press bell icon button. Thank you.